Na ikaubi nga akon iti agbilag iti erek, ket narigat nga talaga. Nasakit iti kudel, ti pudot na. Nagatel ken nasakit iti siket ko.
The backbone of the economic system of a given country is agriculture. According to Capil 2021, agriculture contributes about 19.9% to the total gross domestic product or the GDP, and 22.52% employment rate in agriculture was reported by Trading Economics in 2020. This also sustains one of the most important needs of the population, which is food. However, the Philippines has still a lot to improve and develop in its own agricultural sector in terms of advanced farming technology.
A blessed day! We're here today to talk about an agricultural innovation that we feel is of great importance. I am Joshua Valencia.
I am Ashley Trafilo.
I am Christian Jaitan.
We are the student researchers of Regional Science High School for Region 1 Bangar La Union, and we are here to present our study entitled RC Agitator Device for Unmilitarized Grains.
In our locality, agriculture has always been associated with manual labor and backward traditional farming methods, which requires more manpower, energy, money, and time. Among these tedious tasks is drying unmilled rice grains, which is way more complicated and makes the work of farmers difficult.
Several methods of drying are now used nowadays, but in most provinces, here in the Philippines, drying is still performed manually.
Local farmers usually use a compact tool called rake to scatter the unmilled rice grain in a dry flat surface to dry out the entire moisture of the grains using sun drying method. But in doing this, farmers are exposed under the scorching heat of the sun, which may cause serious bad effects to their health, resulting to skin diseases, heat stroke, and many more. This prompted the researchers to develop the RC Agitator device for unmilled rice grains. This study aims to develop a device in stirring unmilled rice grains faster and easier without exposing the farmers under the scorching heat of the sun. The RC Agitator device is a highly technology machine or device and can be controlled easily using a remote control. It is highly effective, environmentally friendly, safe and easy to use, and can produce quality outputs.
The RC Agitator device for unmilled rice grains is made from steel bars, such as round bars, square bars, and flat bars. Some components include 3 DC motors, the chassis with a dimension of 41 by 25 and by 9 inches, a rubber wheel with a diameter of 5 by 1 inch at the front and 6 by 1.5 inches at the back, a 12 volts high torque gearbox starter motor, a 12 volts receiver board with a working voltage of 11 volts, 13.7 volts, connected to the remote control with a 4-channel 27 MHz frequency and a range of 10 to 15 meters. The special feature of the device includes the 3 stirrers, namely the spinning stirrer, the fixed stirrer, and the finishing stirrer, which aids in spinning and scattering the unmilled rice grains.
During the experimentation, the researchers compared the two treatments, the traditional method as T-0 and the RC Agitator as T-1. These were tested and rated by 5 respondents in terms of quality of output, design, and manipulation using a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being the highest and 1 being the lowest score. The data were gathered and analyzed using man-Whitney test and by computing the mean. Generally, the result revealed that the RC Agitator yielded the best result in terms of quality of output and design.
These results, the researchers therefore conclude that the device has the potential to be improved and utilized in agriculture.
For the future researchers, the researchers highly recommend considering the installation of high and efficient parts to improve the device.
As we bring our agricultural innovation presentation to a close, we would like to leave you with this quote stated by Stephen Jeffs. Innovation is the unrelenting drive to break the status quo and develop a new where few have dared to go. Together, let us welcome innovations no matter how simple they are, for it can lead us to a better life, a brighter future. Thank you for this opportunity and stay safe and healthy.